There you go. Crouton Ramon's House of Math. The recording has started. We are going to play some fun games today with the wee ones. All right. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go run away for a minute. And then when you come back, there's going to be a problem for you to solve. Okay.
Okay.
All right. That's it. We'll make it in various levels for the various students you have.
Okay.
Because what do you got? What are the age ranges you got there?
Well, right now, because Zachariah is reading a book and refuses to move. I've got Joseph is 5, Ziva's 10, and Olivia's 12.
Okay. Wait, and I'll make my own cheat sheet. Ziva is the 10-year-old.
Yes.
Not a diva at all. And then
It's a diva.
and then who else is there? Zach.
Zachariah, he's 7.
He's 7. That's the one we're going to be making problems for right now, right?
No, that's Joseph is the one we're going to make problems for right now.
Okay.
He's 5.
Yeah, how it is? All right.
And then Olivia is the 12-year-old.
And then Olivia is the oldest one in the room, so she should actually be the one making the problem.
Okay, come down here.
But
Oh,
yeah, get over there.
dang.
Now, grab yourself a tray, and Mom, you'll help her in case she messes up. But see, here's the deal: when one teaches, two learn. So she can't help but make the problem. So let's make some easy ones for Zach and Yusuf.
No, you said.
Joseph.
Okay, so for Zach and Yusuf, first things first. Let's put. We'll start off super easy. Put this under the cup. And then you can't have it there because they're smart enough to look at the tray and see which ones are missing. You know what I mean?
Oh, I know.
All right. So
Sometimes I
you
take 2 or 3
got to
things out.
cover the tray with something or put the top tray on top of the bottom tray when you're done. Just saying.
I just take a few out so that they can't
And then you
see.
need 2 3s to make your equal sign.
What's your equal sign? I just take some of the blocks out so that there's stuff
All right.
out.
And whose little hand am I seeing there? Is that Zeta?
No, this is Olivia.
Olivia. Okay. And not Zeta. Ziva. I
Ziva.
have another. Anyway, like I said, they're
Yeah,
not too many
yeah.
Z's, but you've got 2 Z's. You've got a Zach and a Ziva.
Yes, I do.
Okay. So you got your equal sign. All right. So you put this under the cup, right?
Yep.
Okay. Put it over there next to your mom or over, slide it over because we're going to make one long thing, right? There you go. And then put a 10 on the other side of the equal sign. Yep. What do you have to put with the cup to make the 10? Yep.
Put it on.
Put it on that side. Okay. For your brother. All right. Now he's
What's
coming.
it?
Yo, sit.
You're on. So what we have, and here I'll write it down for you.
This one is
What we
Joseph's
have
problem.
is
This
the cup
one is for Joseph. Calm down.
is the same thing as 10. There's the symbols.
Okay, so x plus 6 is 10. What is missing?
All right. Tell me what's under the cup, little boy?
Bro.
What must be under the cup?
4.
Lift it.
Do you think so? Yeah, you got it. Yay!
There you go.
Right answer. Yeah. All right, let's do another one. And let me get my blanket for the math going.
Okay, it's another one. Okay,
All right, another one.
Zach, you're gonna do the next one, Zach. So
No.
you
Zach,
guys.
Zach's next. Since Zach is a little older, we'll make his a little tougher. All right. So put this in the cup.
Okay, good, that one. And Joseph, you can't tell him anything.
Yeah, don't tell him. Put that in
goes
the
under
cup.
the cup.
There you go. And then put this outside the cup. Yep. All right. Now, Olivia, what should it be equal to?
Those two together.
I'm going to say this and this is what I'm going to say.
Sure. Wait. Fingies off.
Okay. So now it's Zach. Where's Zach at?
No,
Zach back in the back. All right, we got a problem for you. Hold on a second. We'll just keep track here. What's the problem now? The problem now is x plus 5 is the same thing as
So
12.
x plus 5 is the same as 12.
What's got to be in the cup?
Sitting in the cup. Children, stop.
Yes, there you go. Right. And then we're going to do some other
Okay,
stuff.
here's the
We'll
kids.
play what's under the cup again at the end.
Okay,
But anyway, where's
Yeah.
Zach at?
Zach, why don't you come on this side so he can see you?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Joseph, you need to
Or-
go places
Or you
with
can
your
move
brother.
it. I don't know what kind of situation you have there, but you can move the camera back maybe. All right,
No,
Zach.
no, it's on the edge of
Here is
the
the question. Here, wait. I'm going to tell you, Zach. I'm going to tell you a story. You got some friends. They come over to your house. You have 5, I don't know what, 5 cookies, and then your friends bring you some cookies, and now you have 12 cookies. How many cookies did your friends bring you? Is the question. How did you know?
We work on those ones a lot.
Because
All
like
right, let's get 2
5
cups.
plus
Let's get 2 cups.
fine.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
I'm
We're
gonna
putting
walk
45
away.
at him. All right, so I notice you have 2 cups there. Let's do 2 cups.
I'm gonna walk away.
Okay. Let me
Yes.
turn
Zach and
Yusuf.
Yusuf run away.
Yep, go on out of the room for a minute.
Oh wait, we didn't do anything for Z. Okay, we'll make this one. Olivia, you're making this one for Ziva.
Okay.
Okay. How about? And Ziva's pretty smart, so let's make one a little more tough for her.
She is a smart girl.
All right, so let's do this. Put this in each cup.
What is that?
Yep.
Mine are not the same as yours.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, mine are old and used, and yours are new and happy. All right, so 1 in each cup. Yep, and then another one outside to make it super easy. Hopefully, 1 more. Yep. Okay, so now what do you need? You need this and what?
Okay.
That's for you, Olivia. See how Olivia can't help but do some math?
Yep.
Even though you're setting up the problem. If you need help, I'll tell you.
I'm just moving stuff out of the way.
So this and this, right?
There you go. She's got it. But put them end to end.
Yeah, or you can put them side by side. But yeah, end to end. The end to end is for them to do. But all right, fine. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's just one step.
Oh,
All right, wait. So now
for the
we
boys,
have-
they need to have it end to end.
dun. For the 10-year-old, we have
Okay.
2 plus 6 is the same thing as 18.
Okay, so we're gonna come
Over here.
So what do you think? What must be in the cups?
Because 2x means 2 times.
Right. So that's the- Yeah, if I was to draw this, I could make it 2 cups, right? Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the same thing. And I'll make those 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll make a blue one, and that will be my 10. All right, that's a drawing of it. There's the symbols. You tell me, Ziva, what's in the cup? All right, I'll tell you a story too. I'll tell you a story. You have, let's say you have, it's very sad. You only have 6 Pokemon cards, and your friends come and bring you some Pokemon cards. They each decide to donate to you some Pokemon cards. So they donate to you some Pokemon cards, and when you're done, there's 2 of them, and they both give you the same amount, right? One doesn't give you more and less, like they both give you the same. And when you get all your cards together, you had 18 Pokemon cards, which isn't too bad, but still a pretty sad collection. So how many would be in each cup? How many would each of your friends have brought you for you to have 18 cards? These have to be equal. What do you think? What do you think? All right, don't just stare at it. Pick up the 6
Pick
and
up-
put it over there with the 18.
And you can,
Yeah, put it over there. But put it with the 10 where the 10 is.
yeah, you can. Strip that.
Now, how much is there? So now you know, what do? We got rid of it. So now I know 2x is going to be the same thing as something. What's it going to be? And I'm going to take this 6 away from over here, and I'm going to take 6 away from over here. So now it says there's 2 cups, and that has to be the same as 12. What has to be in each cup?
Well, you can check to see if it fits.
And see, here's the thing, Ziva, you can't be wrong. You're just getting more information. If that doesn't work, then try something else. If it
Yeah.
does work, yeah, you got it right. But if it doesn't work, well, that's too big. Try something else. Try something else.
It's the same
Have to be
number
the
under
same
each cup.
number.
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
right. But it's too long. So try something
Yeah,
else.
this was too long. 2 sevens was too long. It was too long by how many? Well, try a different number. Or
Yeah,
different
so try a different number. Exactly. Put it. What other number would you use?
So the sevens didn't work, so they were too long. So so try something else.
If I was you, I wouldn't try 8s or 9s.
Yeah, because you were already too
You already
long.
know that 7s are too long.
So what's under the cup? There you go. And 3 sixes is 18.
And for those of you playing along at home, 3 times 6 is
Stop.
18, right?
Yes, indeed.
So if I had 2 of them and another one is 18, that must be right. But you didn't know that those were 6s until you got rid of that. Okay.
Yep.
Who wants to go next? Who are we back to?
Back to the boys.
Okay,
Back
yeah,
to the
they already
boys.
ran out.
They're out for
Let's do one for Yusuf. But let's
Okay.
make it easy. Let's make an easy one for Yusuf. All right.
Yo-
We're
Yo-
still gonna have 2 cups.
It's still Yosef.
Yosef. Yosef. Okay.
Yes.
I know it's amusing. And then you got one in each one? Yeah, Yosef. And I even spelled it.
Like
As
there's
Joe. How would
I
you
don't know
spell
where it is.
yo? I know how you spell it, but how would you spell yo? Would be Y O.
OSEF.
I know but I'm saying if I was going to spell yo, I guess yo would just be
Just
that.
Yo. This is YO. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we got that. And then, so we just made another one and we're going to make 2 cups. And I'll tell you what, put a 4 outside the cups. And now it's a 10 again.
Okay.
There you go. All right. Where's your little brother?
Yosef.
Oh, wait. And let me write it down.
Yoey.
Yoey. 2x plus 4
That's
is
it.
10.
Yo, this side.
2x plus 4 is 10. So what is
Right.
what's under?
Want
What
to
has
tell a
to be-
story? I'll tell a story. What happens? Lo que paso es, is you had some marbles. You had 4 marbles, and then your friends came, and now you have 10 marbles, and they each gave you the same amount of marbles. How many marbles did they give you each? What do you think? Ooh,
It's the same.
it's not. Okay.
But
But what's got to be in each cup? You're right. But what's
so
got?
if the total is 6, how many's in each cup? What is it?
Yeah, because you got 2 cups.
No, but if there's
You're right. No, he's correct. He's 100% correct. It's 6, but it's 6 in 2 cups.
yeah,
How you
well,
gonna
he tried to say 2 sixes though.
Oh,
So
okay.
what can you break this into? What can 6?
Wait
if
a
you
minute,
cut it
wait a
in
minute.
half?
Hold on it. And let's talk about that again. If it was 2 6s, you'd already have 12, which is more than 10, not even
Yeah.
counting the 4. So does
Yeah,
that make
so-
any sense at all?
That makes sense.
Right? We want to have critical thinking. So it can't be 2 6s.
So what does it have to be?
You have to take your 6. All right, I'll tell you another story. You've got some cookies. You got 6 cookies, and you're going to share with Zach, and you're going to share equally. How many do you each get? If you had 6 cookies and you were going to share,
With you see-
3.
there you go. Pick up the cup. Pick up the cup. Pick up the cup. Yay! 3. Because 3 and 3 is 6, and 6 and 4 is 10.
you see how that works, Joseph?
Okay. All right. Olivia. I'm going to make one for you. So you have to leave the room for a second. Your mom will make it.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, no, you never. Well, you.
You're not going to lay on the couch.
Yeah, I am.
And it's like, all right. How about, because she's super cool. How about, but you have to do it the right way. Make sure.
Okay, Yosef,
you have these guys, but you're going to put them that way, right?
oh, this way?
Yes, because they actually are going to be, yes. So one under each cup. And make sure she can't see.
She's not in here.
All right. And then put 10 next to them. And then what's that going to be? It's just going to be 2.
Okay,
So-
Olivia. Whoa,
All right.
that was loud.
Now,
Olivia, it's ready.
yep. 2x plus 10 is only 2.
There you go.
Mhm.
Hmm. What do you think? What do you think? Now you know. What do you know?
What do you know? Speak.
Contraction.
Look.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But what else do you know? That's true. What else do you know?
Start.
It's not your problem. My
What?
word.
What is wrong with you? Um.
So what does it have to be? Thinking.
Fours.
Oh, what kind of fours? I like it. What kind of fours? Because you're right. It's got to be fours.
Minus,
Are they positive fours or negative fours?
I don't know.
You just said it
Yes,
already.
you do. Don't tell me you don't know. Are they
Negative.
positive fours or negative fours?
Negative.
They gotta be negative because if they were positive fours, you'd have 18 over here,
Right?
right?
No,
All
right. But they were negative. so
Fine
it's
job,
definitely
and you
negative.
got it on your first shot. So quit telling me that you're bad at math because you're not.
I never said I was.
No, she just got lazy
Okay.
about it. She just got lazy.
Who was it? Was it? It's your other sister.
What, Ziva?
No,
Or
Leah.
Olivia, Leah. Yeah, Leah.
Leah.
She's
Leah
always
was-
trying to say that, but she's not.
Leah
She's
was trying to
not.
tell me she was bad at math, and she's actually not.
No, leave,
And she's getting to the. You know what she's bad at? She's not bad at math. She's bad at arithmetic. I love it.
Well, what I told her to do, you know, when she's watching videos, is I said, you're going to watch videos with the purpose from here on out of you're going to show him how you do that, what you learned on that video.
There you go. Did you open up the Series A manuals and check them out?
You know what? I did not. I did not.
Great. I sent you the link. Have her do it. Just go through this. The two of you just have one. I make a video about them, and 2, you got the Series A manuals. Those are the most powerful manuals in all of Mortensen Math.
Okay.
So go through those 10 manuals, especially the addition, subtraction, multiplication, not so much, but the story problems, algebraic, and those ones, right? And
Okay,
then just go through them. Just go through them.
Now,
That's
am
fine.
I able to print those out? Because I remember looking at them a while, you know, a long
I
time ago.
don't think you can print them.
Okay.
The agreement I had with Mortensen Company was one, those are the old manuals. They came up with the new ones, right? That are but they did the exact same. Anyway, don't get me started. But the idea is that I wouldn't make them printable so that you would have to buy them from Mortensen Company, and now Mortensen Company doesn't sell them. So
Yeah.
anyway, I have to get to the point where I can make them printable. But I have a few things to do.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we can work
I
with
still
that.
haven't got my March sale going, and it's like past the middle of March.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, I know. It just life goes on, and then everything keeps happening.
Oh, yeah.
Between silver and missiles flying, and oh my god! And then my countrymen prove that they really can't do math. They just can't do math. All right, let's do. What are we gonna do? Let's make one for the girls.
Okay.
Girls, leave the room, and we'll make another one for you. Have you got another cup? Have you got yet another cup, or are those the only 2 cups you have?
We do have another cup. I'll go grab it real quick.
Yeah, and then see, you can have a little collection. I see those are yogurt cups, right?
Yeah, I've been trying. Well, I don't know what they did with my Burgerville cups because those were the ones that were.
Yeah, what these guys are like, Arts and Crafts Gold anyway. So here's some Trader Joe's cottage cheese. But the best is just
Okay.
red cups, just regular old party cups. Instead of playing quarters and drinking beers, you can learn math.
Yeah, there you go. Well, we've got 3 of these.
All right, you got 3 cups now. Let's have fun with 3 cups. Oh, but we'll start with the first one where they're not intimidated. All right. Let's go with one of these in each cup. And then one of these outside the cups, and it'll be 2 10s and a 1. Wait, that's 8. I want to. Yeah, it's like a 6. I know because mine don't look good.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it looks like it's gray almost.
Yeah, that's how old it is.
Yeah.
How old are you? Because I bet you the 6 is almost as old as you are.
Probably not. I'm going to be 50. So
yeah, see what I mean? Anyway. All right, and then you want 2 10s and a 1.
Okay, girls. Oh, I don't want those falling back there. We don't want to have to deal with this dresser.
Oh, geez.
Have to move it if these fall behind. Okay, hold on. Let me move.
All right. Oh, I didn't write it down. And by the way, you guys are doing great. 3x plus 6 is the same thing as 2 10s and a 1.
Olivia, pay attention.
I
Oh, yeah,
am.
then
All right. No, you're good. You got it right there. So what do you think? How are you going to solve this?
Okay.
So then what do you think? Okay, so I see you doing that. So what did you do? What did you figure out? You took 6 from each side. So you took 6 from over here and 6 from over here. That's 0 0, right? Finding stuff that's the same. Oh, look, there's my 0. And now what do I have over here? I have
look what he's doing.
instead, right? When I took those guys together. So now I have 3x is the same thing as 15. What does x have to be?
Are you paying attention? See what he's showing you?
Girl.
Look, he's saying, you see, you found the same. You have 6 here and you take 6 from here. And what you have left is
15.
15. So what would have to be in the cup if it was 15? Yeah, loud enough for him to hear. She said 3 5s. She had it.
Baby.
All right, can I throw a negative at you now?
Quiet.
For the girls again. Let's do another one for the girls.
Okay.
Quick.
Move.
Quick.
Disappear for a second.
Yeah,
Over here, go put the cat outside. You guys are going to fight over the
He's
cat.
trying to run away.
Oh my gosh. The cat that causes commotion.
All right, let's get nuts. Yeah, let's get totally nuts. Put this in each cup.
I have to wash these blocks because they left them out and the cats walked all over them and I'm just like,
Warm water, not hot water. Don't put
Yeah.
them in the dishwasher unless you can put them in the dishwasher, but don't put them on hot. You know the dishwashers that just run cool? They
Yeah.
have that cycle that's just a rinse, cold water rinse.
yeah,
That works, but if you put them on hot, these will all twist and bend.
yeah. No, I'll look at that because my dishwasher also can do just like I can have it just do like the lower section.
And then
instead of
the other thing that works really good, if you have like a lingerie bag, you know, where you
Oh.
put like hosiery and stuff like that,
Uh-huh.
throw them in there and then show them in your washing machine. Scrubby scrub.
Maybe I'll do that because that would be that
They
probably
pull- and they come out like spotless.
yeah.
They come
That
out
might,
looking.
that might be the easiest because I can just throw them with a load of laundry.
Yeah, depending on how bad they are, but yeah.
Oh no, they're not like super terrible. It's just like enough
Okay,
to
then yeah, you can just throw them in with a load of laundry. But I would say I usually would tell people because you know I'm used to boys and they're, you know, there's mud caked in them and stuff.
No, I'm like really strict with these blocks. I'm like, they do not leave this room.
Okay,
They do
good,
not pay for these blocks. They're
excellent.
expensive.
And exactly, they were really overpriced plastic.
Yes.
Anyway, all right, let's get going. Put this. Next note.
You're not supposed to watch it.
Yeah, no, they're good. They're good. They can't see what's under the cup, so they're good. Get the 6
that's
out of there
okay.
and put the.
Put that on the next to
Yep.
the cup.
Yep.
Okay.
and then nothing. Right?
And nothing over here.
We're going to have 3x minus 9 is the same as nothing.
Okay, you guys, now you can come in. Now you should be this one. You guys should be able to get this. Oh, okay. Get him out of
Don't
here.
touch my cat.
Then you better then pay attention to the math problem. Otherwise, I make you get rid of him out.
It's the math cat. What's the cat's name?
Jericho's.
Escape from these crazy
No.
children.
No.
Okay.
You're not
All right,
gonna
all right.
touch them.
Give me the problem. Give me the answer, and then let's do some
Okay.
factoring of polynomials.
3.
Wait.
She just said the answer already.
I like it.
It's
You're
not.
crazy. All right,
Yeah,
do the
exactly.
same problem. Let's make it for the little.
She,
wait, wait,
she
wait.
knew it. She knew it immediately because it equals
Excellent.
0.
No, put them back. Put them back, and let's make it for the little boys.
Okay.
Are the little boys there?
They're in the other room. They're in the other room, right?
Okay, there you go. So we can
Guys,
do it.
I
We
can
can do it
take
again. All right, let's see if your little brothers can get it.
Okay.
Joseph, Sarah.
Go, go, go.
Okay. Yeah, where is Zach? Did he go with Dad? Okay, well, Joseph can look at this for now.
All right, Joseph, I think you can get it.
Okay, so
You've got
Joseph,
3
it's
cups, and a 9 is the same thing as nothing.
minus in it. So it's a negative.
Right there. That's a 0 over there. So what has to be in the cups?
Oh no, it's got to be this way because with this,
It is- That's a negative 9. You know, right?
negative 9. Negative 9. You look at the open part. Okay. You have them upside down.
So what would you have to add to negative 9 to make 0? What would you have to add to negative 9 to make 0? And here, hold on a second. I'll tell you a story. Before you do this problem. Here's the ground. There's the grass growing on the ground. Okay.
Minus
Let's-
9.
Okay.
Well, this is
And then-
minus 9.
That is minus 9. Now let's say I dug a hole. This is my hole. And I dug my hole and it was 9 feet deep. Right? Bunk. It's 9 feet deep. So, oh, look at that. I'm pretty good at that, actually. 9 feet deep. All right. Now, if I have a hole that's 9 feet deep, if I put a 10 in it, how much is sticking out of the ground? If I have a 9-foot hole and I put a 10-foot pole in there, how much would be sticking out of the ground?
1.
You're correct. All right. What if I put what if this hole, and I'm going to change it now. I'm going to change this hole is now only 3 feet deep. Right? And now I put my 10-foot post in. How much is sticking out of the ground?
7.
Very good. All right. So you've got negative 9 there. How am I going to fill my hole up 3 times? This is supposed to be negative 9. And I just want to fill it to the top, right? Because that'll be 0. So this is what you have here. You've got this in 3 pieces, and it's got to be 0. What does each piece have to be?
0.
No, well, no, to make the to
Zero
make
and 0 is 0. So what would each one of these have to be?
Wing.
All right, put them next to each other. Here, we'll do it quick. Just pick up the cups. Just pick up the cups.
Yeah, careful. Don't knock the things over.
Yeah, and now put the 3s next
Put
to the
the,
9.
put the 3s next to the 9. Not negative though.
Yeah, they got to be positive.
Yeah.
There you go. And what you're doing is making a super complicated 0. That's just 0. That whole thing right there is a model of 0.
So 3 positive 3s will make the negative 9 0, right? So that this makes 0.
Such a funny little hero. We counted on our fingers and toes and rocks and bones and sticks and stones, but now you're here to stay, and nobody really knows how wonderful you are. Oh, we could never reach the stars without you. Hero, my hero. Oh, hero, how wonderful you are.
He knows this song well.
All right. Let's do some algebra for the little boys. Let's do some factoring. Actually, let's do some factoring for everybody.
Okay.
All right. How many are there? There's 4 of them, right?
Well, Zach disappeared again. So there's 3 right now.
All right. Well, we could have banker, builder, drawer, recorder. Who wants to be the builder for the first one?
I'll do it. I'll do
All right.
it.
All right. Then somebody has to be the banker, which means you have to get out the pieces, and then somebody has to draw it. Or
Okay.
record.
So,
And I'll be the recorder, obviously. So let's see here. Let's start off with x squared
get down.
plus 7x
I'll
plus
do it.
12. And what I want you to do is take that and turn it into a rectangle.
So,
So somebody has to get out an x squared, the big red one.
so you're the banker.
7x.
So he has to be the
Here's
builder.
the thing. You can get out 7x and you can get out 7x like this, or you could get out 7x and be smart about it with the ones that you got right there in your hand.
Okay. So
And then somebody has to draw it.
so Ziva's going to draw it.
Okay.
Joseph, you're going to get them out, and Olivia's going to build it. Okay.
All right,
So
cool.
Here's the x
You
squared.
need,
Now
so,
you need
so
7x. So you
Yes,
get the
you need to
7.
get 7.
Grab the 7x.
yeah, except if you try to use that 7x, you're gonna have a bad time because how are you gonna put the 12?
Yeah, that's not going to work, huh? So what 2 can you make that would add up to 12?
There you go. Just give them 7 blue ones. Just get out 7 blue ones.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
we'll do the rest.
Here you go. Yes, use these for now.
Because
You're
your
gonna
sister's
do
gonna build it, right?
You're going to bring these out.
And then you got to get 12 units. Okay, so you got 7 of those, and now you got to get her 12.
Okay, you're gonna write it. Oh yeah, plus 2. So
So
Yes,
now
Mr.
here's the
President.
other thing. I'm gonna tell you that if you get out 2 of these, you're gonna have a bad time.
okay. Joseph, what are you doing? Oh, okay, yeah, no, that's cool, but we have to get the same one, not the same block. It can't be 2 different blocks. That was a good. Yeah, that does make 12. So you need something that's going to make 12. Which ones can you get to make 12? Yeah, that one probably won't work so well.
Yeah, so I'm gonna tell you that's the only clue I'm gonna give you. If you try to use this, you're gonna
This
have a
one
bad
won't
time.
work. So
Anything else?
yeah, check any.
How can you get 12?
Yeah, to make 12. What else
And-
can make 12?
And Olivia, you might ask him, hey, could you give me 3 or 4 or whatever?
Which kind do you want? What do you want him to get you?
Joseph, can you give me 3 4s?
There you go. That'd be good. 3
That's it.
4s would be
Just
great.
told you what to give her. Joseph. Oh. No, she's gonna give her 4 3s.
Or 4 3s. 4 3s, 3 4s, either one.
No, well, because
3 4s is better
because
because
he knows how to do this. I
There you
mean, he knows that 3 4s and 4 3s are the same thing.
there you go.
No,
Except,
you're missing a.
except that you use less pieces when you grab
Well,
4.
that is true, but he's ornery.
Yeah, there you go. That's called economy of material.
Yep.
Okay. Tell me the factors, young lady.
Okay, Olivia, you got it.
Can you remember?
X
Read it. Yep.
plus 4.
Yep.
X plus 3.
Done. All right. Now, if I told you, flip them over, flip the blocks over.
In my bed.
Just flip them over. Everybody, just flip them over quick.
Flip them over.
You got, yeah, just flip the blocks, literally flip them over because they're X. Now, I want hundreds. Right? So I don't want them negative. You want them tens.
Oh, they had them that way to begin with. They didn't have them on their sides.
Oh, there you go. See how it is? This is a 10. This is an X. This
Yeah.
is a 10. This is an X.
Yeah.
All right.
Side-
Now,
side is an X.
Olivia, tell me, what do you look? Just look in front of you. What do you have? 100, 70, and 12. Add them up.
Okay, write these things down, Olivia and Ziva.
What do you have?
The way he has it.
You're looking right at it. Count them.
Good. 1. How many?
100.
These are 10s.
Count the big ones first. So you counted the 100, and then you had 40, and then you had 30. So how much is that? That's this and this.
170.
Okay.
Yes.
Plus
107 tens. Now we got to count the corner.
182.
182 is the right answer.
So that's all you're doing there. You said so.
Now,
You
one more time, young ladies, algebra easier than base 10 because I'm never going to add x's and get x squareds. I'm never going to have units and get x's. But over here, you got to add them up, right? I can't call that. I can't. This number isn't 100 plus 70 plus 12. It is, but that's not how we say it. We say 170, and then I got to add the 12. 182. Don't blink. Okay. Let's do another one. Fine job, by the way. You want to get bigger? Let's get bigger. Let's say, hey, you got to give her another X.
another. Oh, this one. I forgot. I'm gonna use some more space here. There's some stuff in the way.
Yes.
Oh, and then the other thing, the last thing I was going to say about that is that you could have used one of these.
We could have used what now?
You could have just used one of these in the pink one.
Oh yeah, yes, you could have. So
But it doesn't matter. I mean, I'm just saying. You could be all right. So now, wait a minute. We're still just 1x squared. You suddenly got 2x squareds. We only have 1x.
oh,
Okay. You need another x. So you need
X, not an X squared.
X squared. All right. Now you got to put 12 in. How are you going to put 12 in when you got 8x? Same amount of units, but more x. I like it. She's thinking. Oh, how much would that be? Wait. Olivia, how much did you just have?
what you have here?
What would have to go in the corner? I mean, just in the corner. How much would have to go there if you did that?
16.
All right, that's great, except I want 12. But look, on your way to doing 12, you already factored x squared, 8x, and 16, so you know that one. All right, but I want 12.
Okay.
Okay, you're right. You got to move it.
Yeah, you're.
Now what?
So what's in the corner?
What would it be in the corner?
What?
Just let her think.
There you go. What would it be in the corner? You got to count all the guys in the corner. Grab the block that'll fit there, first off. You can see that 3s will fit there, but grab the other block that'll fit there.
I don't know the other benefit.
The long one. Yeah, there you go. So
so
how many? You got 3 of those. How many is that?
So what's in the corner?
15.
15. I don't want 15. I want 12. But look, you did it again. You factored another one, but I want 12. So I think you're going to have to move it because 3 5s doesn't make 12. Now what? Now what? Move another one. Go the other way. Don't do that. Go the other way. Keep taking from the top. You were taking from the top. Yeah, there you go.
Continue to take from the top.
You were just about to go back to what you just did. Now, how many fits in the corner?
Diva, she's the one.
No.
Oh my goodness. This
Oh,
is actually awesome. I don't know. This is so much better than social media and current events. You have no idea.
Oh yeah.
You guys just want to play math all day? We can play math for like the next 6 hours. I don't mind. No charge. No charge.
No.
No charge.
There you go.
You're
You got-
basically what you're basically doing is it's for my mental health.
Well, there you go.
So the what do you call it? So there you got it. You got it, right? It fits. Everything's there. You got an x squared, 8x, and 12. Tell me the factors.
X plus
Okay, go ahead and write it down.
Yep. What? The purple one.
6.
Yep. 6. And then what?
X plus 2.
Excellent. All right. So what's 16 times 12?
Mm,
Or 12 times 16, depending on how you look at it. Count them. Count them. Count them.
mm,
All right. Now here, Olivia, can you see that you have 100 right off the bat?
yeah.
Okay. Now, how many units? Well, just 2, or not units, tens. 2 10s and 6 10s, right?
Yeah.
So I can just add that and say that's going to be what? 80, right? And if I did it all at once, I could just say that it's 18 tens right there, right? 10 tens and 8 more tens. All right, so let me show you the symbols. I'm going to make it easy for you because you're going to be able to impress your friends. You'll be able, when I'm done with you, if you practice a little bit, you can give your dad a calculator and you can do these faster than he can punch them into the calculator. Promise. All right, and you can just race him. Because what are you going to do? You're going to add 2 and 6 and get 8. That's the 18. And then what? Then I just got to figure out what's 2 times 6, 12. So 1, right? Let's keep it super easy. It's basically just 2 operations.
192.
Done. Right? 180 and 12. But the fast way to do it is just count up everything, all the big ones first, the 100 and the tens, and then add in whatever's in the corner, the purple part, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it again. Let's do it again. You guys are doing fantastic. Oh, do the little boys want to come play, or you know what? We'll just have these
I would
two.
just work with these girls for now because they make more chaos.
Exactly. All right, let's add another exact. All right, and here's the other thing. You can already do this one, right? Because you already know that it was x plus 4, and you just did it. You just did it a second ago. So I'm just writing down I'm just recording what you did already, right? And you know that 14 times 14, so 14 squared is 196, 180 and 16. And then what? And then you did this. And you had 13 over here and 5 over here. Right? And that worked out to be 13 times 15, which is 180, 195.
Careful.
That makes sense? Am I going too fast? Are you guys even paying attention?
Are you guys getting it? Are you paying attention to what he's saying?
Yes.
Playing.
All right. You see how fast and easy it is? Wow, what are we doing for the parents watching? 400 math facts, 45 add-ins. That's what we're doing.
Yep.
Oh, we happen to be doing algebra, but we're working on this. Why? Because when you guys actually start doing math, that's how you're going to do math, is multiplication and division. And I'll tell you one more time, little girls, it was satanic pedophiles that wanted it so that you couldn't do math in your heads.
It's true. It is true.
Cool.
So cool. So are you going to let them? Are you going to let them?
No, you want to be able to be
Are
smart.
you going to, right? Because I know guys that can, right? And like I said, I know carpenters can do math in their heads instantaneously, and it's pretty complicated math because it's angles and cuts and so forth. And they can do it in their heads without a calculator. They don't have to ask Grok.
Yep.
Okay, x squared. Let's go with 9x. And what shall we do? Let's do 18, just for fun. Since we seem to be playing 6 today.
I know.
No,
X squared, 9x, and 18.
you have 9x.
Do you guys want to switch where the drawer and the builder, or are you guys happy?
You want to switch and do the
No.
business, Ziva, would you like to switch?
Oh, we're not switching.
Oh, okay.
Not
Well,
this
good.
way.
All right, good. That's fine.
Just
That's fine.
want to do this.
All right.
Do that.
So x squared, 9x, and now you got to figure out how to put 18 in the corner. Oh, you're going to try 2 9s? You're going to have a bad day.
That's the side.
But just try it. Just try it. I'm just saying. See? You would need another x, which you don't have. So you only have 9x. So now how are you going to fit them in there? And but where you are now, how many would fit in there right now?
How many do you have? X's do you have here?
6.
So now you'd be able to fit 14, but I don't want 14. I want 18. So move another one.
So you have to move one.
This time you're going up, right? Because you can't move one down. Yeah, there you go. Now what?
6.
I like it. Put them in there.
Put them in there.
What's 3 6s?
18.
There you got it.
Yep.
So you have x plus 6 and x plus 3. Good job. Good job. All right, and we can see that 16, 13 times. I'll do the tough part for you. is going to be 190 and some more. How much?
208.
There you go.
108.
You got it correct.
She said-
Absolutely.
Yeah, she said
You see how you can do it super fast in your head? Right?
Yep.
There's 19 tens and then one more 10 and then an 8. Okay. Let's change it. Let's change it. Let's change this to, what if I want 20 in the corner?
If you want to switch, then that's
No,
okay. I just want to help.
Yeah, she's helping. It's good. I like
Okay.
it.
You're pushing my
Okay.
And, you know, see,
20 in the corner.
and Ziva,
Hmm.
see, notice how you're sitting up there on the bed watching, it actually pays off.
Yeah. Actually,
That's me.
yeah, Olivia's the one
That's
who's.
me.
Oh, that's you. It's not her.
Yeah,
okay.
Ziva's the one who's usually sitting off behind Leah,
Okay.
usually glowering.
it was a 10.
Who cares?
Okay.
I know.
All right, you two. Be nice.
Stop arguing.
They're sisters. I love it.
Oh my goodness.
See, because here's the thing, girls. In the whole world, you guys are lucky because you have many friends, but they happen to also be your brothers and sisters. So
Well, they're not
you
our
have-
friends.
well, here's the thing you're gonna find out. People from other people from other families may wind up not being even as cool as your brothers and sisters.
They're terrible.
Oh
In
my
fact, a lot of times they wind up being
cool.
cool.
The boy-
Anyway, give me the answer to this one. What do you got? I see it. What's the answer?
What's the answer? This
What? It's right there in front of you.
Crap.
All right. Just tell me.
You stupid.
X plus 4.
That's fine.
Oh, wait, 5.
Plus 5.
X plus 5. X plus 4.
There you go. What's 15 times 14?
9.
Um, 100.
Okay, 100, 90. And so basically all you're doing is counting tens. Come on.
210.
210. You got 21 tens there. 21 tens. First you had 19 and then 2 more. All right. Let's get up to 10x. Oh my god. Actually, you know what? Let's get crazy. Let's skip over 10. We'll go directly to 11.
Oh, I got more here.
And now let's do 24.
Maybe that. Maybe I can keep Jericho from trying to come back in the window.
He won't.
I know. Just knock it
Okay,
over.
I got 10.
Do you have 10 there?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, how'd you get 10?
You need one more.
Oh, because it's no. Well, because there's 10. There's actually 10 tens here.
Yes.
9 of everything else, but there's 10
9
tens.
left.
Okay.
Right.
There.
I'll give you extra points if you can do it with 2 blocks instead of 11.
Are you listening?
No,
Give
I
me
will. I'll
two
give you
blocks.
extra points if you can use just 2 blocks
2 blocks.
instead of a bunch of these.
Instead of these.
Ziva, what do you think? How would you make 24? And you got 11.
No, yeah, 21.
No, there's 7.
Yeah, yeah. And see, and that's what I mean. It's great because what are you doing? You're just getting more information.
Hand it.
Oh, 28. I only want 24. Very close.
Okay.
Try again. You still got 11.
You still got 11, so you got to change it. You have to change both
If
of
you
them.
do 6, okay. If you do 6 and 4, that's only 10. You need 11.
Okay, so
Stupid. Doing your best.
There you go. Oops.
I don't
Now you got 30. I don't want 30. I want 24. What else could you do? Ziva, what else could you do? dun 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 dun
Make 24.
dun 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 dun.
Oh, they've got those up there too.
Dun 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 dun
Be quiet.
dun 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 dun.
He's trying to show. He's giving you a clue when he says that. He's showing the top of it. Yeah, there's that one.
Dun,
And
dun,
what on the other side?
dun, dun, dun.
Come over.
Line shark. All right. What's going to fit there?
Obviously.
Yep. So I'm going to have x plus 8 and x plus 3. Obviously. What is 18 times 13? 100, 110. So now we already got 210. And then what's in the corner?
234.
There you go. The 3. 234. I like it. I'm very sad because it's time to quit. But let's do.
Wow, that went really fast.
It's crazy, isn't it? See, this is another reason why people think that I'm not. I'm 62 now, and people don't think I'm 62. Why? Because hours go by, and in my mind, only 5 minutes went by.
Yeah,
So I don't age. And you know how long I've been doing this?
a long
But
time.
it is.
I've seen some of your videos.
I feel I'm amazed because I feel like 5 minutes went by, and it's an hour.
Yep.
Let's do one more and quit. Last one. Last one.
So mean.
So mean. Terrible.
So mean. So mean. I'm so mean. I make algebra fun and easy so that any girl can solve it.
Behind there, you're moving the dresser.
Big meanie.
I'm in.
Ziva, how old are you again?
Huh?
She's
How old are you?
10.
You're 10.
Yep. She's also actually she'll be 11 in a month.
I've had 17-year-old girls in my kitchen crying, bitter tears,
Doing what you're
because
doing.
they couldn't do this. And then when I get done, not only are they not crying, now they're mad because they were so upset over nothing because it turned out it was easy. Your mom is sparing you from this experience.
I'm doing my best.
All right. X squared. What's going to be? It's the last one of the day. I'm not going to make it negative. Let's stay positive. And then next time we'll get some negatives in here. So you guys got to go down the allegedly advanced algebra path a little more. All right. Let's get 12x. And we'll make it fun.
You want 36 in the
Oh, that's
corner.
my pencil.
Good for you.
So how about using the actual
No.
instead of those? There you go. 12x total.
Give it a shot. Just don't hit me. Okay,
Flip it
for
over.
you.
12. Oh, I like it. I like the thinking.
Good.
But wait a minute. You need 12x. You need 12 of them. That's only 11, isn't it?
Yeah, that's only 11. This is a 9. Remember?
All right.
Yeah, you don't have to count them by ones. Oh, now you got 27.
Look.
That works. It's 12x, but I don't want 27. I want 36.
36.
So try 2 different blocks. That's good, though. That's very good.
So what are the blocks?
What else could you use?
Okay.
No.
Do you eat all of them?
Hey,
Yeah.
guys, focus.
8 and 4. 8 and 4. I like it. 8 and 4. What's 8 and 4? 8 and 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Ooh, you're close. You're very close. You're getting bigger. You're getting closer, right? 27, 32. Got to get bigger. You need another 6. Because now you have 14 and you only have 12.
Get it over.
You got-
Right, I like it. Oh, beefing.
If you don't want to be the
look.
builder,
Oh, look.
now you've got, grab your 6, put your corner in. So what do you have?
See,
Just say it.
Building.
I know, but say it.
X plus 6, X plus 6.
There you
is
go.
there a better way to say x plus 6, x plus 6?
But it's the same one. You say x plus 6.
Could I say x plus 6 squared?
X plus 6 squared.
No, that
X
means
plus
that's
And you are absolutely right. X plus 6. See,
Yeah.
we're just math guys, and math guys are lazy. I don't want to write it twice when I can just put a 2 there.
right.
All of these say the same thing.
Because
Oh, and now I want to know what is 16 squared. And you should kind of sort of know what 16 squared is. What is that?
What's 16 squared?
16 squared.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's
16 squared.
each way. You got a picture of 16 squared right there. Wait. I got to take a picture of this. No, put your feet
No,
back
I'll
up.
put
there. I
the
gotta
feet
take a
back
picture of that. That's the done at the day's work done right there. It's awesome.
You are. What are you trying? What are you trying to do?
What? All
All right, can somebody tell me what 16 squared is?
Okay, are you done?
16 squared. What is 16 squared? Okay. Well, what is it? So you have there's 100.
6.
260s is
200.
no.
Yes.
260s is
200 and what?
What? 210 plus
Keep going. Got to count them all.
20.
120.
So you got 100,
and 120.
and then you got 120, and then you got 36.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
so
you're
that's
156.
66.
Try again.
100. 100.
256.
There you go. Look, guys. Look. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 3 is 5. 0, 0, and 6.
Yeah, but
Some of this stuff is hard.
We're
All right.
having a little bit
Show
of
your pretty faces so I can take a picture of you two girls.
yes. Face up.
Yes, and I've already got pictures of you. But Zeta and the kind. There you go.
Try not to look like death.
That is awesome. That's going to be a picture. I'm going to put that someplace. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but anyway, I'll send it to your mom also.
There you go. Yeah,
You can do this in
my children are so morbid. It's not even funny.
It's
Mom.
awesome. You know what?
I just like to be in the dark. That's all.
You just like to be in the dark. Hey, Ziva,
What?
are you going to go goth? No, that could be awesome. Goth girls. But here's the thing: goth girls are supposed to be slightly nerdy and smart, right?
No,
Which
they're
means-
not.
Yes, they are, which means they're
Oh,
supposed to
that
be
means you don't
mad.
know much about goth
Actually-
girls.
That's what I'm saying. Goth girls are
Okay. See what
Nerdy.
changes mine. She's gonna be emo.
it's gonna be emo.
Oh my
You don't wanna
god.
be emo. You don't want to be emo. Anyway, CreekRunnerMoans, houseofmath.com for more.
Then I'm